If you've ever had a noisy tab blasting audio in the middle of your workflow, Chrome has a quick way to handle it. In this video, I'll show you how to enable tab audio muting in Chrome so you can silence that one site without closing the page or stopping everything else you're doing. This is a super handy trick for anyone who watches videos, listens to music, or keeps multiple tabs open at once. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and find the tab that is actively playing audio. You'll usually know which one it is because Chrome shows a little speaker icon and the tab may be highlighted as the source of sound. This is the tab you want to control. Now, move your mouse to the top of Chrome and right-click directly on the tab title. Make sure you click on the tab itself, not inside the web page. When the context menu appears, look for the option that says Mute Site. This is the setting that will silence audio from that website. Once you click Mute Site, Chrome will immediately stop audio from that tab. The site will still stay open, and everything on the page will continue to work normally, but the sound will be turned off. This is especially useful if a video starts playing unexpectedly, or if a website keeps making noise while you're multitasking. If you want to turn the sound back on later, the process is just as easy. Right-click the same tab again, open the menu, and select Unmute Site. Chrome will restore audio for that website right away, so you can continue listening whenever you want. That's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can mute a noisy tab in Chrome and unmute it whenever you need to. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in your daily browsing experience. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.